In this video, I'll teach you how to create a milestone task in only 2 clicks of the mouse. You know, everybody likes Microsoft project tricks, so let me show you a nifty trick about creating milestones. So let's get started. To create a milestone task in only 2 clicks of the mouse, do the following. Step 1. Click the task row where you'd like to insert the new milestone. Step 2. Click the Insert Milestone button in the Insert section of your task ribbon. Microsoft Project automatically created a new dummy named milestone task. At this point, all I need to do is give it a name. I'll call it Product 1 Complete. So that's how to insert a new milestone task in only 2 clicks of the mouse. So there you have it. Creating a milestone task in only 2 clicks of the mouse. If this video was helpful to you, I hope you'll give it a like. If you're new to the channel, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notifications button. And if you do have questions about Microsoft Project, please write your questions in the comments section below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.